Okay, so today we're going to finish up our little Sling mini series, little two-parter. I'm going to show you like actual application of a 2-point sling on a long gun and then a 1-point sling on your shorter stuff, your carbine length and below. So first up is the 2-point on the M1A here. It's not too terribly bad. But one thing I found out was I said that you couldn't deploy it very well, but actually it's damn easy. So yeah, the 2-point sling really does kind of rock for the long guns, but I still like the 1-point sling more, and honestly 1-point slings have guns more. So here is the 1-point. Also, I wanted to take a second, give a shout out to Tactical Tailor and their great product and great customer service. I broke a piece of my sling and I told them about it, and they just sent me a whole new sling for free, no questions asked. They're a little pricey, but they stand behind their product and they make a great one. So something to think about. If you don't want to spend as much, like I said, I do like the AR Stoner stuff. Their slings aren't bad at all either, and they're very, very similar. But anyway, like I said, I prefer the 1-point. It's easier to keep your hands free. It kind of keeps the weapon down and out of the way, but deployment is pretty much instant. And I mean, if you are so inclined, you can have an arm free, have your weapon shouldered, blah blah blah. I just like the 1-points a bunch. Like I said, I don't have a 3-point to show you guys. Kind of wish I did, but I guess it doesn't really matter anyway. Because like I said, I don't really recommend them. So, all right, thanks for watching.